Let me get in Saurabh for his thoughts on this as well. And also, Saurabh, if you could talk to us about, those who are in the beginning of their digital transformation, they do report challenges in
Yeah,
managing cloud computing spending. And,
yeah.
business owners lament the fact that around 30% of their cloud budget goes to waste. So also your thoughts on, how organizations can ensure cloud cost optimization, in addition to the broader topic that we have discussed on public cloud being the answer for a lot of enterprises looking to scale up.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So, got actually, thank you, Girish. What I feel is that I will take it from two perspectives. One is that currently I coined this era as new normal digital acceleration era. And there are certain learnings which we got over a period of time. So I am in this industry since last 20 years, and earlier, before pandemic, I was approaching CIOs, CEOs, and explaining them the need that why they should look towards an early adaptation to digital transformation. And that time, I was getting a mixed response where majority of them, they understands the merit, but at the same time, they have to take a call that when it is the best time for them. And so their obvious answer was that things are working fine for me, and I think that I will go bit slow on this, and then adapt it and all that. And those people, after in the new normal era, now when we are approaching them, they are saying that I regret that that time I should have taken your advice and should have moved. So, and the other phase of customers who agreed that time, they were for digital transformation, and we provided them services. Now they are actually leapfrogging, and they are working towards creating autonomous digital enterprise. Now, when I say autonomous digital enterprise, so they are at the next level to get the higher benefits, because they are planning to create an environment where it is hyper automated. At the same time, it's a quite intelligent, and they are able to reach out to the customer in more effective manner, and they can scale up their business much effectively. So, and that is one of the journey on which we try to help our customer, that how they can look towards that. So that is one aspect. Now, coming toward the cost. Now, cost is actually one thing that we all are concerned, though now everyone is saying that for us speed is of higher importance, but still cost plays a vital role. And here actually what is happening, that initially the way they were trained, or the way it was told to them that okay, on cloud the cheapest thing is storage, so you can put everything on cloud. Then you have to plan that how you are going to utilize the compute, so go ahead with that. And then your networking and how you have to consume that, and based on that they have done some initial planning, and they moved ahead. Now what is happening is that the explosion which is happening on in the new normal, where their business is scaling up the way they never anticipated. And the now they are realizing that they can do more, and we call it as post cloud migration offerings. And in that actually we feel that there is a lot of work which can be done on cloud optimization. Now, are you getting the best out of cloud? Probably, maybe you can do more by effectively using the services as well as the technology which is available to you. Or is it to do more with the processes which you have said? Because earlier probably you may not be having the processes which are 100% cloud native, and now you have to move towards that. So if you are not there, then you will not get the best out of it. And the more important actually, it is the culture, that is a people transformation. So are your people best trained to adapt to that this transformation, and are they consuming and giving their best to the system? So these are the three things which comes in picture. And in this process actually we try to help that how we can help you in optimizing and getting the best out of cloud.